Hi there, I'm Intan, and I'm a freelance character illustrator. I like doing fan art and sharing the charms of the character I adore. I've always felt like all the artists that I admire have a special touch, and I've always wondered, what is that special touch, and how to develop that? It really hasn't been that long since I was drawing aimlessly and doing an effective practice. Art is finally making sense to me now, but I still remember how it feels to be lost, and how abstract everything used to seem. The art world can be daunting to embark alone, but I'm here to help guide you through the art process, and in this class, you will figure it out with me. This class is about an inside look at my artistic process and the basic fundamentals you need, as well as how you can develop your own special touch. I believe that the best way to learn something is by actually doing it. So let's create a charming character illustration. I got everything you need to get started and everything you need to keep moving forward. This is Mintan, and this is Unveil the Charm in Character Illustrations 101.